Hello everyone, and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura, and today I will be making juicy grapefruit soap. These are the colors here I'll be using. All the base oils I'm using are vegan and organic, and that's the lye water going in. I'm just going to stick blend this together for a little bit. And this is the fragrance. I'm going to go ahead and put it in first because it does not accelerate the batter. This has a really juicy pink grapefruit scent to it. It's very, very nice. It's a very fruity and clean scent. And the little cups you see me use are reusable and biodegradable. So I'm just going to divide this up into 3 pitchers. And this is the first color going in. This is one of the greens. And this is the brighter green. And this is the orange. I'm just going to blend these in. These colors are super vibrant and they stay nice and bright in the soap even after it's finished setting up. I'm just going to blend this light green in with the darker green. It's going to give it kind of a subtle swirl effect. I'm just going to put that straight in the mold. Then I'm going to put on a layer of orange. And I know that these pictures tend to block the camera, so in some of my future videos, probably in the next few weeks, you'll see that I've hopefully found a solution to this, and we should be seeing that in my future videos. And then here I'm putting the rest of the green on top. I'm just going to give it a nice texture. And then I'll clean up the edges. Then I'm going to add a little more orange. Then we're just going to fix this a little bit and give it some more texture. And then I'm going to put that pink that you saw earlier, I'm going to mix that with some oil and drizzle this on top. And here it is up close. It has a very shiny and juicy appearance. Now here we are, the next day to slice it. And this scent still smells really good. And here's the first bar. You can see the 2 different shades of green and that orange band going through it. with a pretty pink top. I really like how this came out. They smell really good and they're so bright and happy. And here's the third bar. These are going to be part of the Spring Fling collection and will be available April 1st in my shop. And here's the little end pieces, which I'll cut up for samples later. If you enjoyed this video, I upload every Monday and Thursday. If you enjoyed it, please consider giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.